Well, speaking of modules, that's the end of this module. Now that we've covered object-oriented programming in Lua, you should be able to create classes and objects. It might take a little bit of time to get used to thinking about creating classes and objects in this way. I definitely encourage you to experiment around with metatables. That concept can be a little bit difficult to grasp, and it might take some practice to get used to using metatables. And try creating some of your own classes and trying to create some inheritance hierarchies and see how that works out for you. Once you understand these concepts, you'll find that it'll just come natural when you're writing Lua code to create classes and objects in this way. But we're not quite done learning about Lua just yet. Up next, we're going to be taking a look at Lua's powerful standard library. There's a lot of things in the standard library, and now that we understand a little bit about modules, we can see how the standard library actually works. The standard library is implemented in terms of modules. It's just that when we first load up Lua, all those modules for the standard library are loaded for us automatically with default variable names of the actual module name. So that's how we have access to things like math, which we used earlier. Well, thanks for joining me and take care.